Hello, I'm Debbie from the homeofinteriors.co.uk, and this video is going to give you some hints and tips for choosing a fabric and for a kitchen or bathroom. So kitchens and bathrooms can be quite moist areas, so you may just wish to take some extra considerations into account when choosing a fabric. If the area is just going to be moist but water isn't going to go on to the blind, we would recommend that you choose a fabric that's 100% polyester. You don't need to choose a PVC fabric. The 100% polyester fabrics will be absolutely fine, and we just recommend that you don't specify a natural fabric. So some of our blinds are 100% cotton, and we just wouldn't recommend that you specify that fabric for a kitchen or bathroom, as there could be an opportunity for shrinkage in the fabric. On our website you can filter by antimicrobial fabrics, so again this will help reduce the potential for bacterial and mould and mildew. If you are ordering a roller blind for a kitchen or a bathroom and it is going to be a moist area, we would recommend that you order it with a fabric covered bottom bar and that you specify a stainless steel chain. But if you have any questions or need any advice, please do get in touch. Please email sales@thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, or please call the team on 01590 615 775 and they'd be delighted to help. Thank you very much for watching.